What's up guys, it's me Chris Tech here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm here to celebrate 10 subscriber special. Thank you so much you guys for subscribing me. If you have a Google account watching my videos and stuff. And thank you so much. So for a special thanks, I'm gonna be going and defeating some bosses today in Terraria. So when it's night. So that was a bad idea doing start the video during the morning. So yeah, I was thanking so much guys. 10 subscribers means that like so good because I'm a new YouTuber. I just started like yesterday, I think, and I already got 10 subs. So thank you so much. Yeah, and so today, to celebrate, I will be doing something special. I will also fight the twins. Yeah, I'm gonna fight the twins. Because I made the spawner. Okay, so yeah. I'm so happy. Seriously, I'm so happy today, guys. I can't believe this. Yeah, so, uh, wait, let me see. Yeah, thank you so much. Much. And yeah, we'll just wait until night, chat a bit until we fight the Skeletron. It's gonna be pretty easy, I think, with the flamethrower. Seems to be very effective. But why is he not dying? How are you not dying? Okay, so yeah, I just noticed I got 10 subs, guys. It was like, what? 10 subs? That's not possible. And if a YouTuber like, I'm sure I'm gonna get a YouTuber with like 100 subs saying that's not something special, but for me it is because I've like started here in 3 days or 2 and I already got 10 subs. Thanks so much to these 10 people, all the people that are gonna have a Google account and still watch my videos. So yeah, Wednesday night because I do really want to fight the Skeletron. And maybe the twins, maybe. Or maybe we've got any suspicious looking eyes. Got a mechanical eye, but I don't want to fight you. Yeah, in my 20 sub special, I'm gonna try to fight the wolf flesh. So yeah, hope you are excited for that. I think I'm gonna do that on the 30 sub special. On the 20, I'm gonna do the twins. Then I'm gonna do the Skeleton. Bosses only special days or something. Yeah, so we're probably gonna beat that guy because if you destroy his head, he dies, and that's really easy. Like, I'm gonna get with the flamethrower, destroy him. It's gonna be easy. I hope. Actually, I don't hope. I want to do something else. Also, I'm gonna destroy the dungeon a bit. Oh, sorry. Okay. Because I want to build out of this brick. Let's get some of that. Quite a lot of it. I want this brick because it's cool and we're gonna build with it. I'm gonna take a whole load of it. How many have that? Only 145. No more. It's not gonna be enough for a house. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Let's destroy all the dungeon. Yeah, so I still can't believe I have 10 subs. Yeah. Today I'm gonna do we're gonna be joining with Skype, more especially with Latin Lord because I found him on Skype. We talked a bit yesterday. And yeah, wait a second. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for that. Nothing bad happened. Yeah, so it's becoming night. So let's wait and see how it's gonna end up. So yeah, this is gonna be the 1000 sub special, and this is my challenge. I have to use my only this thing. The skill is you every time you shoot with it. So that's my challenge. Hope I win, because then it's a failure on my subscriber special. So yeah, and I'm quite hungry now. I'm gonna eat and have. Okay. I think it's time. Where's the old man? Old man, let me help you cross the road. Where's the old man? Old man, where are you going? Where are you going? This is not allowed. Can you curse me now? Can I fight your curse? Your master, your master. You call him master? He's a beast. Now, can I fight him? Can I fight him? Can I fight him? Okay, what's that? Okay, we got this, we got this, we got this. We can do it. Oh, I'm gonna win. I might actually... Is it regen? Regeneration. I think it's regen. Don't worry, Skeletron, you're gonna die. Oh, I bet him up. I won. Seriously? Okay, what I am gonna do, because this was really short, I'm gonna fight and try to fight the twins. Okay, let's try this. Oh, what? They're invisible. Why are they invisible? Okay, shoot them with this thing. Oh, they're doing incredible damage here. Oh, why is it not shooting? Use the light disc. Use the light disc. Quick, kill them. Kill them. What have I got? I'm not. Oh yeah, I got something that I think that keeps me healthy or something like that. So let's try the flamethrower this time. It's gonna be maybe better than the other one. Oh, and the sharky thing, the shark gun. Where's the mini shark? Where's the mini shark? Where's the giant mini shark? Where is it? Oh no, where's... Let me use this. It's probably gonna end bad, and I'm not gonna use that. Okay. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. I can do it, 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 I can do it. Do you think you can do it? No, I don't think so, man. You're fire. Let's be on the air, like here. Let's be on the air. You like it here? You like it? Can you beat me? No, you can't. Oh no. Oh, we're doing it down. I think that I'm doing more damage than me. Oh, I'm in space. Great. That's a great place to fight me. Okay, now. Ah, you didn't get me this time. Actually, you got. I did. But you didn't. Get back, you stupid thing. Oh, that's quite a lot of damage. Okay, die. You can die now. You're not hurting me, dude. Good. You're not hurting. Oh no! This was so stupid. What did I do? Come on, get a healing potion! I need to get a healing potion. Come on, quick! We don't have all day. Drink it, drink it. Yes, yes, I got it. I got my healing potion. die, 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 die. Okay, you can die now. If you want, you can die. Actually die, because you've done stasis. It's not the place for you. Back up. Go back to hell. Or where you came from. If you ever die, I'm gonna give you a present. A present called Flamethrower. Oh no, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, I'm cursed, I'm cursed, I'm cursed. No. Sorry for that, guys. Oh god. Okay, so thanks again for 10 for my 10 subscribers, and also thanks for support. I really appreciate it. So I will see you guys. Oh wait, bye bye.